Dear students, now we are going to discuss some programs using these conditional statements if and only if and if else. Let us discuss the program now. The first question is check the given number is positive. Check the given number is positive. Only one checking is there. The given number is positive. How to check a number is positive? How we can find if a number is positive? You know, if the number is greater than 0, the number is positive. If the number is greater than 0, the number is positive. Only one way. There is no other way. If the number is greater than 0, the number is positive. So, let us do the program now. This is a program to check the given number is positive. First line is the comment line. There is 2 slashes there. So that's not working. That's a comment line. A program to check the given number is positive. That is the program name. Then in the next step, import java.io.star. This is the package is inserted here because I just use here that input stream reader type of input. So here the package import java.io.star is using. We studied that input stream reader class and buffered reader class. There is a package is needed import java.io.star. Import java.io.star. So here I use that package. Then the next one is class name xif. Any class name you can use, but here I just use xif. That means example of if only. Okay, xif. Okay, any other name you can use there. And then curly bracket open there for this class. Then this is the main function declaration, void main string arguments. And this throws IO exception is for that input stream reader class and buffer reader class. That syntax we studied already. Next, int a. Only one variable integer type is needed there. Given number is positive. Only one number we can check. So, only one number we need there int a. Then you can enter that number. Just output statement enter that number. Then for entering number or inputting number, input stream reader class, here a is equal to integer.parseInt in.readline. That we already studied in the syntax of input stream reader class. Then next step, that condition. If a greater than 0, the checking. What is the question? The number. If the given number is positive. Check if the given number is positive. So, if a greater than 0. If it is 0, the number is positive. If a greater than 0, the number is positive. Only that much. Just write only one statement if a greater than 0. The number is positive. That is the output statement system.out.println. The number is positive. Then curly bracket or close for that main function and next close for this class. After that, click on the compile option, no syntax error. Then class, right click, void main, enter the number 6. The number is positive. It is the output here. Okay. This is the program for checking if the given number is positive. Next question is, check the given number is positive, negative or 0. See, here 3 checkings are there if the number is positive or negative or 0. For that, we use if and only if statement. See, for checking if it is a negative number, if a less than 0. If a greater than 0, it's a positive number. If a equal to 0, it's a 0. So, there are 3 checkings are there if a less than 0, a greater than 0 or if a equal to 0. Let us discuss the program now. See, this is a program that comment or program name, a program to check the given number is positive, negative or 0. Program to check the given number is positive, negative or 0. First step, the package java.util.star. See, why the java.util.star is using here? Why? See, here I use that class. Scanner class input type is using there. So java.util.star is used there. And then next step, class name x if of. I just write example of if and only if. So x if of. And the next one, main function declaration. Here no need of throws IO exception because scanner class no need that. Okay. Then open the curly bracket for main function. Then scanner, that's scanner class name. Scanner s is equal to new scanner system.in. Here check the given number is positive, negative or 0. So here only one number is there. So there int a, only one integer value is there. That enter the number output statement. Then a is equal to sc.nextInt. We need to inputting that a. So sc.nextInt. Only one number is checking positive, negative or 0. So there a is equal to sc.nextInt. Next one is checking. If a greater than 0, the number is positive. If a less than 0, the number is negative. If a equal to 0, the number is 0. This is the three checkings here. A greater than 0, the number is positive. Less than 0, number is negative. Equal to 0, the number is 0. We know that equal to sign is used for equals. Okay, that's positive, negative and 0. Checked for positive, negative and 0. Then curly bracket closed for main function, curly bracket closed for class. Then click on the compile. Say compiling, no syntax errors. Then minimize or close the window. Just right click on the class void main, OK button. See, enter the number. I just entered 67. The number is positive, is displaying there. And then we need to insert a negative number. Just check it. I just enter minus 42. The number is negative, is displaying there. Then just minimize that and then one more. If you are giving that 0, what is the output? Enter the number 0. The number is 0. This is the output for this. Understood? This is the example for if and only if. Next we can discuss one example for if-else statement. Next we can discuss one example for if-else statement. The question is, write a program to find the greater number between two numbers. Greater number between two numbers. See how we can find the greater number between two numbers. There are two numbers a and b. If a greater than b, a is greater. Otherwise, b is greater. For the programming, if a greater than b, the a is the greater number, else b is the greater number. Let us discuss the program now. Say, this is the program. The program name is a program to check the greater number between two numbers. Program to check greater number between two numbers. There are two numbers are needed there. In the next step, I just inserted that package java.util.star because that scanner class is used there. Java.util.star because the scanner class is used here. And next class name, example of if else. Just I give the class name x if else. Then curly bracket open, then main function. All the spellings must write in the correct way. And then curly bracket open for function. Then scanner s is equal to new scanner system.in. Then two variables needed to declare here because that greater number between two numbers. So we need to insert the two numbers into a and b. Same. Next output statement system.out.println enter the numbers. Enter the numbers. Then a and b. We need to initialize that a and b. A is equal to sc.nextInt. B is equal to sc.nextInt. Say scanner class, so like this. Then in the next step, condition checking. If A greater than B, the greatest number is plus A. Plus A means the value is displaying there. That system.out.println, the greater number is A. Else system.out.println, the greater number is B. See, if A greater than B, that greatest number is A, else the greatest number is B. This is the program. Okay, that curly bracket closed for main function and curly bracket closed for class. Then click on the compile, file saved, no syntax errors. Then right click there, void main, OK button. Enter the numbers. Two numbers we need to enter, 45 and 75. I just enter 45 and 21. The greatest number is 45. This is the output for this. Students, today we studied about that three conditional statements. If and only if, and if else. Example also we studied. I hope you understood this. Anyway, if anyone having any doubt, please call me today itself. It's very important for your 10th board exam and 9th exam. So, I request you to study well, watch the video carefully and study well. And if any doubts, call me today itself. There are two more if statements are there that we need to study next class. I will give some examples today. Just do the examples and send me today itself. Thank you.